Okay, welcome guys to the seventh video tutorial. I guess this is supposed to be a video demonstration on our activity section. We are done so far with the resources, and so if you turn on editing from here, yes, you realize that we have tackled almost everything that has to do with the various sections and resources. As you can see, these are two files. This is a web page and stuff like that. So this is what we did. We are done with resources. Okay, we want to go and look at how we can deal with activities. So we are done looking at how to get some of these major things done. So now we are here, how to add activities. Activities are that which will engage the students or require the student to do something. Okay, so these are our various activities. You can give an assignment, you can give quizzes, and forums, chats, make choices, databases. If you really don't understand some of the things that it does, just click on this button right here. Okay, and it's going to open for you what you can do with some of these things. If you think this summary is not enough for you, just go right here and click on this more help, and then it should be able to give you detail as to what can be done with this stuff. Okay, so basically that is what we want to do. So for our first section, we'll be looking at how to add some stuff like quiz, okay, or assignment or exercise, depending on how you want to term it. So quiz, to do that, you need to maybe work your quizzes offline. We have two ways by which you can set up your quiz. Okay, you can use the gift format or the Akins format. For this demo, we are going to use the Akins format first, and how to set up objective questions and upload onto the digital school. Okay, so to do this, we will need to maybe go offline and type our questions. And so as soon as I said type questions, somebody will go like, typing questions. Wow. Don't worry. Let Google be your friend. Just go and type in your URL here, google.com, and hit the return key. Once it opens, just keep it simple. Yes, I got some stuff here. Sample objective questions and answers on respiration. Okay, so once you click on this, just keep in mind the first two that appears are mostly your choice of options that you go for. And just right here, I have some of these sites here that is giving you wonderful questions on respiration that you can tap from and edit and make it your own. So as you can see, you can just tweak these questions and make them look your own. And then you see we have, this is just about 1,000 human anatomy and multiple choice questions that you can get from here. A tunnel of questions that you can play around. So there is no need trying to start typing all over again and stress yourself. But however, if you want to do that, that will be fine. But you can still rely on these things, modify them, tweak them, and make them look your own. Okay, so what you need to do is that once you see the question one like this, all you do is that you can just copy it this way, Control C to copy, and then you go and open your Microsoft Word file, you open your file. Once your file is opened, don't just press Ctrl V to paste, okay, because you'll be doing some editing and stuff. So appropriately just paste the text only. So when you come to these paste options here, click the button down here and go to this one. It says what? Keep text only. Okay, so once you keep the text only, you can now change this one this way and then pick your formatting text. We want to have it, appear like this. Okay, so we make it appear this way. This is the standard way for the Akins format. And then you take this question 1 from there. We don't need this question 1. Okay, then you bring your answer. Then over here, you just type your answer this way, and then you select your answer. Okay, so let's view our answer. It says the answer is B and with explanation. So you can just come here and just type B here. That should be your answer. So you would repeat this same process. Okay, you go there, you pick your next question. As much as possible, try and read through and see that the questions are based on the scheme of work or the syllabus for the students. Some of the questions may be above their level, some of them can also be below standard, but this will just guide you so that you can just tweak some of these things instead of trying to start all over building up some of these things. So you can now go here once again and then keep text only. The same process, you have to format this. Okay, you choose this to format, and then you can just copy this one. I like lazy work, I don't want to type plenty, so you can just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so that is that. So over here to what is going to be the answer. See, you edit from here. Okay, so basically this is what you keep doing. You just take this number 2 from there. There's no need keeping this number 2 there. Okay, so this is what you keep doing. So if it's 10 questions that you need, you arrange them like this. Okay, and keep them in that order. Once you are done typing it in Microsoft Word, because the Microsoft Word will allow you to edit, but of course we cannot upload this in Microsoft Word, okay, because we can still have some formatting stuff that the Akins format would not allow when you are uploading. So simply copy this, Ctrl C to copy, and then go and open Notepad. Okay, find your Notepad. Find your Notepad and then simply paste, Ctrl V to paste. And like Notepad will just eliminate any form of formatting that is within the text. Okay, to take away all formatting styles that you have, is present, and then just ignore them and then make it as neat as this. So this is how your questions are going to be typed, okay, and ready for upload. So once you have done this, all you need to do is that you have to save this file. Save for the first time, save, and then we want to keep it on the desktop. Remember where you are saving it, that is very important. And then we want to call it demo test, demo_test. Okay, so this is how we want to call it, and then we will save. That's it, it saves right here. Then you can close it. Okay, so you have prepared your questions ready for upload. So in the next demo, we are going to look at how to go through this process by picking our quiz and then setting up for the upload. So this is part 1 of the Akins format. Join me in the next demo as we illustrate how you can get this objective questions uploaded for the students to have access to it and do. Thank you very much and hope to see you in the next video.